Let's show you how to install the LiteCash wallet on Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. First, we navigate to litecash.com. Once there, find the button that says Linux. Click there. Next, we go to the Ubuntu 20.04 folder, and we click the apt repository.txt file. Here you will find some instructions on how to set up the repository and to install the software. So first we open a terminal. In my case, I'm going to run sudo nano, find the sources file. From here, we have to add this line right here to the bottom of the file. Paste, do Control X, Y for yes, enter to save. Now we run sudo apt update. Now you can see we have the repository here, all the packages, translation, all that stuff. And now we install it. Sudo apt install LiteCash. In this case, we want the graphical user interface, so we say GUI. Shows us what we're going to install. It looks for all the dependencies. We'll install all those for you. Y for yes. As you can see, it's downloading all the components required. It just takes a minute or two. Done. Now to open the wallet, we type LiteCash wallet, enter. And there you have it. You have the LiteCash wallet running on Ubuntu 20.04.